Come here, Fiona. Where is everything? Huh? What's gone? Thank you. Where's all the furniture? It's all right. Grandpa's bringing stuff. Grandpa's bringing that black sofa that you sat on and the chair. Remember? And her friend's bringing a table. Fiona is amazed that there's no furniture in this place. What do you think? Huh? You want to wave? Want to wave? Look, over here.